Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba price prediction and Shiba news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaska Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. All you need to know about the next buying opportunity. The meme token has been on a steep downturn since hitting its ath in October last year. In fact, Shiba Inu (SHIB) declined between southbound parallel channels and fell below the vital liquidity range near the $0.033 zone. SHIB prices are multiplied by a factor of 1,000 from here on. In light of the past tendencies of the buyers to defend the $0.02195 $0.02013 range, SHIB bulls aimed for a retest of the 20 EMA red before reversing back into a long-term downtrend. At press time, SHIB was trading at $0.022. During this bearish phase, SHIB lost its crucial point of control, red, POC, near the $0.033 level, and also fell below its 200 EMA, yellow. To top it up, this level coincided with the 23.6% Fibonacci resistance. The bulls took charge of the $0.02 mark that they upheld for over 4 months. Consequently, the price entered a tight phase, while the bulls started building up pressure and rejecting the lower prices. Thus, it saw over 70% gains from 3 to 9 February, and broke out of the down channel, while the 23.6% level stood strong. Over the last month, SHIB formed a falling wedge, reversal pattern, on its daily chart. But, as the 20 EMA fell, it plunged below the 200 EMA, yellow. In doing so, the bears visibly had an edge. Going forward, if history does repeat itself, the bulls would be keen on maintaining the 2 cents $0.021 range intact. Thus, keeping up the recovery hopes alive towards the $0.024 level. Also, traders must closely watch the decreasing gap between the 50 EMA, Cyan, and the 200 EMA. If they undertake a bearish crossover, death cross, a major sell-off might be lurking around the corner. Rationale: the bearish RSI strive to find a close above the 43 to 45 resistance range. Interestingly, while the price action kept marking lower troughs over the past 3 weeks, the RSI kept the 39 support intact. This revealed a bullish divergence. Also, the OBV maintained its immediate support, while price diverged in the south. Furthermore, the DMI lines flashed a bearish preference, but flashed increasing buying influence. Furthermore, the ADX still pictured a weak directional trend for SHIB. Conclusion: all in all, a reading of its technical indicators suggested that a near-term revival might take place towards its 2050 EMA. Following this, the ALT could continue to reverse into its long-term downtrend. Besides, the ALT shares a 69% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. Hence, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement with the overall market sentiment would be essential for making a profitable move. And second, use Bitcoin and Ethereum stuck in a range, 1 inches higher. Bitcoin price is struggling to recover above United States dollars 39,000 and United States dollars 40,000. Ethereum is still below United States dollars 2,600, XRP is down over 3%. AVAX, DA to resistance of $0.0340, briefly breaking out of this level in the process. Despite falling below this level since, prices are still higher than yesterday's low, as bulls managed to resist the onslaught from Saturday's bear market. Price strength rose to a high of 49, which was the highest level since January 4, but this ceiling has so far held firm. The moving averages of 10 days, red, and 25 days, blue, have since seen an upside crossover, which keeps hopes alive of upcoming bullish momentum. Biggest losers for the 3rd time this week, the bull of one day moved to being the biggest loser the next, as IOTX gave up some of Friday's gains. IOTX, which surged by as much as 15% yesterday, dropped by a similar percentage on Saturday, as traders appear to have secured profits. The price of IOTX United States dollar, which hit a high of $0.1195 yesterday, fell to an intraday low of $0.0965 today, as markets seem to be heading for support at $0.1120. Despite today's move, price strength still remains in overbought territory and is tracking at 52.95 on the 14-day RSI. This could be music to the ears of longer-term bears who may see this as an opportunity to maintain their short positions. The next news, Russian rubles could become worthless as allies target central bank after SWIFT move. After the EU, Canada, and the US agreed to remove selected Russian banks from the SWIFT messaging system, the Russian central bank is to be targeted next, which could make rubles close to worthless. In a joint statement on Saturday evening, the allies said they commit to ensuring that the Russian banks are disconnected from the international financial system and harm their ability to operate globally. But what comes as a more unexpected and possibly more painful move is that the allies also said they commit to imposing restrictive measures that will prevent the Russian central bank from deploying its international reserves in ways that undermine the impact of our sanctions. According to Rob Person, an associate professor of international relations at the US Military Academy in West Point, this would mean that the central bank won't be able to access most of its reserves for currency interventions or exchange dollars and euros for rubles. Yesterday, the allies also committed to acting against the people and entities who facilitate the war in Ukraine and the harmful activities of the Russians. In this video, we will raise the following question: will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively.